Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this tutorial I am going to test out what we did in the other video, which is the recent chats. So when I send a message to another user, the messages get added in the recent chat, so that in the main screen we can see the last message we sent to the other user and also the timestamp of that message. So this is what we did in the previous video. But to test that out, we need to set up some things in our chat list activity. As you can see, it is empty, and even our chat list activity.xml file is also empty. And you can remember in the last video, we also made the chat list activity our launcher activity. So we want it to be the first activity that comes up when the application launches. Now, to finalize some things here, what I'm going to do now is to head over to my XML file, because I want to add currently in the main activity. Where is the main activity? The main activity was our launch activity, and it had two menus. So when you click on those three dots, it's my application. So when you click on those three dots, what it does is to launch, is to show you the UI menu, and then you select. So this is what I'm talking about. So this menu here. So I'm going to add another option to this, and the option will be to take the user to our all users section, which is the main activity. Well, if you don't understand what I mean, just follow me on this. So first, I'm going to right click on the main activity here, and I want to change this name to all users, something more meaningful. What I'm going to do now is to right click. Why is it not right clicking? You right click here and select refactor here. So under refactor you go to rename. So I want to change this to something called users or all users activity. To all users activity, and then click on the refactor. So this will change this to all users activity. So we want to navigate from the chat list activity to the all users activity. Hold on, it's performing some things here. So now I want to copy this thing, though we won't really need it in our all users activity. So I think I'm just going to move it from here. I'm going to collapse it. We need this also. Edit account, we need this, and then this. We also need the sign out and the on create options menu. So we need this three method. Cut it out from here. Then head over to the chat list activity. In here we're going to paste it. So we have the sign out and the edit account, which is sign out and edit account. Then the on create menu, calling the menu. I'm going to go to that menu file, and I want to add another item to this menu. So I just copy this and paste. In this item is going to be called all users. So I'm going to change this to be all users. The text here, I'm going to change it to all users, and we can keep this as it is. Now head over to the chat list again, and I want to add that other option that I just added. So I'm going to copy this and paste, and this will be called action all users. Now this should navigate to the all users section. So I will duplicate this method, and I'm going to call this users. Then I'll copy this and paste it in here. So this error should go away. Inside the users here, we want to navigate to the what is the all users. Okay, it's called all users activity. We want to navigate to the all users activity. It says internal error code while analyzing the okay. This I think my Android Studio is faulty here. But at least you get what I'm trying to do. But it's working. If you, I'm sure if you run this in your own studio, shouldn't give you any problems. And I'm going to fix this later. So I'm going to okay. I don't think I can run this app now because it's still showing me error. So I'll pause the video here, guys, and fix this problem with my Android Studio. And if you're just watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, share them with your friends. I will see you in the next video.